Welcome to our tutorial on how to verify the security code on WhatsApp with the latest update. Ensuring the security of your conversations is essential, and verifying the security code adds an extra layer of protection. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. This is where you can access all your chats and settings. Navigate to the chat with the contact you wish to verify the security code with. It's important to confirm the authenticity of your conversations. Tap on the name of your chat partner at the top of the chat window. This will allow you to access their contact details and settings. Now tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the chat screen. These dots contain additional options to manage your chat settings. From the menu that appears, select Verify Security Code. This step is crucial in ensuring that your chat is secure and encrypted. By following these steps, you can verify the security code on WhatsApp, enhancing the privacy and security of your conversations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to verify the security code on WhatsApp effectively. Stay safe and secure in your chats.